Hey guys, it's me, Ahmed. So yeah, you know the deal, everyone. The time is now 12 o'clock. So Happy New Year, everyone. It is officially 12 o'clock. It is officially the start of midnight. Happy New Year, everyone. 2025 and all of its challenges has officially arrived. Happy New Year, everyone. 2025 has arrived along with all of its challenges and all the chaos that comes with it. Happy New Year, everyone! Welcome to 2025. 2025 has arrived. Happy New Year! Welcome to 2025. Selamat Tahun baru 2025. Happy New Year! Welcome to 2025, everyone. Yippee! Woo! Selamat Tahun baru. Selamat Tahun baru 2025. Happy 2025. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! What's up? What's up? It's New Year! 2025 has arrived! One more year of our official canceling. Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year! Beautiful, auspicious, and wondrous New Year. Happy New Year! Oh boy, Happy New Year, everyone! Welcome to 2025! And there goes the creepy sound again. What a beautiful way to welcome the new year. It's a wonderful way to welcome a brand new year. 2025 has arrived. Was weird. Hopefully this year will be a little bit better. Only one more left before I officially see Link. And I never thought the same house would end up doing the same thing again. Happy New Year, everyone! Whoopee! Yahoo! Happy New Year! Welcome to the new year. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2025 and all the challenges we will witness and face. Oh man, we made it. We finally made it. Praise be to God. We passed through another year. We also survived without any issues. And we also survived the year without worrying about anything. Man, Happy New Year, everyone. We did it. One more year left before I officially sealing. Holy Microsoft, that's a lot of fireworks. Man, how many coins are you spending? Holy mackerel, that's a lot of fireworks you're spending, dude. Wow. Jeez. Whoa. Well, that's a lot of fireworks you're spending there. Oh my Microsoft. Holy whoa. Yeesh. Man, that's a lot of fireworks you're spending there. Well, I get it, it's New Year's Eve, but yeesh. I think we have the record for the most spent and in terms of fireworks. Yeesh. Happy New Year, everyone. Yeesh. Something tells me 2025 is going to be a weird year. Holy mackerel. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Holy blow. Holy Microsoft. Holy Windows. Oh my goodness, holy hell. Like, I've never seen someone spend so much on New Year's Eve. Look, this is what I've been waiting for, but yeesh! Looks like 2025 is gonna be a weird year. Holy blow. I have never seen anyone spend that much on New Year's fireworks before. That's crazy talk. It is completely crazy talk for you to waste that much on a simple New Year's Eve celebration. Holy Microsoft, that was wild. I have never seen anyone spend so much on their New Year's Eve decorations. Holy blow! They must be really excited for 2025. After spending that much on fireworks. That was the wildest fireworks show I've ever seen. Like, oh my god, I've never seen someone spend so much on New Year's Eve fireworks before. This is insane. I'm sorry, but this is wild. Yeesh. For me, I think 2025 is going to be a weird year. A very weird year. Weird as in like, oh, it's so weird. I think 2025 is probably going to be a weird year for me. Oh man, Happy New Year, everyone. Man, Happy New Year, everyone. Oh man. I have never seen anyone spend so much on New Year's fireworks before. This is crazy. Again? Wow! Again? Yeesh! Curb it down, will ya? Yeesh! Oh, Microsoft. Oh my wisdom. Oh my holy wisdom. Oh my holy wisdom. Knock it off, will you? Seriously, that's a lot of money you spend. Man, yeesh.